How to upload videos to NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, now in order to upload the videos into NanoBanana AI, here in this interface, scroll down. You can see this AI editor section, and here you'll see two different options, image to image and text to image. So NanoBanana AI is basically the natural language image editing software, so it can only transform your photos, or alternatively you can even provide the text in order to convert it into the image. So there are no options to upload the videos, as it cannot process the videos to convert into anything. So you have to upload either photos or the text. If you want to upload the image, you can select this image to image option. If you want to provide the text prompt, you can select this text to image option and provide the prompt over here. If you select image to image, here you can see add image option. If you tap on it, it'll open up your gallery. From here you can select your preferred photos. After you upload the photo, you can even provide the further prompts and transform accordingly. So that's the only way to upload in NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.